Hi, my name is Mrs. Brown, and if you are a 7th or 8th grader, you will have me for your science classes every day. So this is a little slideshow presentation that I've made to show you a little bit about what the class is going to be like, and then I'll show you around the room, okay? So, three things that we need to be aware of. We want to show respect for every person in the class and for the teachers and the adults, the aides, the people that are helping you in the building. So just be respectful, treat each other kindly, help each other out. Second thing is responsibility. Responsibility. We want to make sure that everyone's doing their job the way you're supposed to do your job. So make sure that you are speaking appropriately, that you are following the rules and procedures, that you're doing your work the way you're supposed to, and then ready to learn. Ready to learn. Be here on time. You get a passing period of 5 minutes. You should be able to get to each one of your classes on time. Make sure that you have all your materials, and I'll show you a list of the things that you are supposed to bring to class. Make sure that you're doing your work the way you're supposed to. So the things you need to bring to class. Number one, your Chromebook every day. Make sure it's charged, please. We cannot have everybody plugging in all over the room, so make sure your Chromebook is charged. Second thing is your interactive science notebook. Your interactive science notebook is a little notebook that looks like this. It was on the supply list, and right now this one is completely blank. But during the year, we will be filling those out, and you'll have like notes that you take, charts and graphs that you do, pictures that you draw, things like that, calculations that you do on the experiments, pictures that you draw. There's some of the pictures from a person who did some things. Here's some pictures we cut out of a magazine, some pictures that this person drew to show that they understood the material. Sometimes I give you a little booklet to put in there. So you bring your interactive science notebook, this one, every day, every day. The next thing is the supply pouch. There are some things that you're going to need. You're going to need some colored pencils, regular pencils, an ink pen, a highlighter, in a pouch. If you don't have a pencil pouch, that's okay. You can put it in a plastic bag. You can carry it in some other way that you want to. But those are the kinds of things that are in your supplies. If you have an assignment, you bring your finished assignment every day. And if you get done early, make sure that you've got a book to read, something else you can work on. Okay, those are some of the things that you bring every single day. When you come into the room, you will have an assigned seat. You'll have an assigned seat. So you go to your assigned seat. There is something called a bell ringer, which would be like the question of the day, or something to think about to get started, or some page in your ISN that you need to fill out. That's your bell ringer. And then you get your materials ready for class. So make sure that you've got your pencil, that you've got your ISN, you're ready to go, your Chromebook's out, and you're ready to go for the day. If we do have behavior issues, these are the things that can happen. So the first time something happens, maybe you're talking and you should be working, something like that, you get a warning. That happens once. If it happens again, then I might need to move you to a different seating assignment. I might need to keep you after class and talk to you. I might have to have a conference with you, a timeout, something like that. If you go to level 2, it could be an after-school detention, contact your parents, something like that. And if we get all the way to level 3, and I've done everything I can to try and help you learn to behave better, then I refer you to the principal, refer you to the office. All right? Grades. Your grades are based on all of these things. All of these things. We have homework assignments. We have lab activities and experiments that we're going to do. Quite a few of those, I hope, this year. You'll have some quizzes and tests. You can use the notes in your ISN. If you keep your ISN, you can use the notes that are in your ISN when you take your quiz. So it's very important to do a good job on your ISN. Presentations, where you have to get up in front of class and talk to people. Projects, participation, just being here in class and answering and asking questions, things like that. Your ISN is for a grade, so when you keep your ISN up to date, that's for a grade. And then at the end of each quarter, we take a quarterly exam that covers all of the things that we've studied that 9 weeks. So all of this together is how you get your grade for science. You can check your grades in Skyward on a regular basis, and some of the kids that have been here last year you can help each other learn how to do that. You have a password to get into Skyward, and you can see how you're doing in every class. Work needs to be turned in on time. If you get behind and you don't do your work on time, then you might be invited, in my class, you might be invited to what I call a working lunch, which means that you bring your work and you bring your food and you come in here in this room and you sit with me and we get it done. And if it takes 2 working lunches or 3 working lunches, then that's what we'll do. It might be an after-school detention or a lunch detention for you, so just try your best. I always try to give time in class to do the work. You might have a little bit that you have to finish on your own at home, but you should be able to get it done. So, things to remember. We want you to pay attention in class. We want you to participate in all the activities. You'll be really good at some things and maybe struggle with some others, but participate. Use your study time to get all your work done as much as you can. Ask questions. If you don't know what is going on or you want me to explain it again, you have to ask questions. Learn about science as much as you can, and have a great year. Have a great year. This is going to be different for all of us this year. A lot of times, most of the time in class, this is what you're going to see. Okay? I am probably going to be wearing the mask all the time because I walk around the room. Let me take you on a little tour of the room here so you can see what I mean. They have spaced our desks out in the rooms. See how far apart you are in this room? So as you're working on your assignments and I'm walking around and trying to help you and things like that, I will be wearing my mask at all times. Okay? And you will be given a mask also to wear. So when you are working in small groups, I will ask you to put your masks on. When you are working with chemicals or liquids, I might also ask you to put goggles on with your mask. So those are just things that we always do in science. So if you have any questions, please make sure that you ask me. I hope to see you guys tomorrow for the first full day of school, and we'll see what kinds of things we can do. All right? Bye.